Hello, my name is Maria. I am 48 years old. I was born in 1966 in Lyon, France, because my parents were immigrants, but I am Spanish. I am married and I have got two daughters. The oldest studies biology at university, and the youngest studies at secondary school. My husband is a sales manager. He sells contact lenses. I have studied at university and I am a French teacher, but I don't work in my job, so I am a housewife. We live in Cuyar Vega, a near village near to Granada. I am a quite nervous woman and I need a lot of activities in my daily routine. For example, 3 times a week, I go to learn English at an adult school. I love learning other languages, and English is one of the most important in the world. I love traveling, and I love listening to music, especially English music. So I want to learn this language. I hope to learn more English this year. Thank you.